Magluluto tayo ng chicken adobo a Filipino style. Hello food enthusiast, today we're diving into the world of Filipino cuisine with a classic dish chicken adobo. I'll be guide through this flavorful journey. Let's get started. To make the perfect chicken adobo, you'll need. Begin by marinating the chicken in a large bowl. Combine the chicken, vinegar, soy sauce, and minced garlic. Mix it well, ensuring is evenly coated. Let's marinate for at least 30 minutes to absorb those fantastic flavor. This process enhances the taste and ensure a delicious seasoned dish. Now, searing our chicken to become light brown. Hue in chicken adobo is a vital step, infusing compost flavor and setting the stage for a delicious Filipino culinary experience. Embrace the transformative process as heat and Prussian dance in the pan, creating a masterpiece of taste. Let's just keep this marinade, so we can use it later to cook our adobo sauce. Let's sear the other side of the chicken. For that perfect brown color, it's more than a step, it's fearless act in the kitchen. Confidently flipping each piece, transform it into a flavorful masterpiece, elevating our culinary creation. Embrace the color brown, turning into an extraordinary delight. Gently remove the chicken from the pan one by one, preserving its flavorful sear and juicy goodness, and set aside. Attention to detail is crucial for culinary success. Now, let's move to the stove. Heat a pan over medium heat and add a bit of oil. Saute the minced garlic in a bit of oil until it becomes fragrant and golden brown. This will add a delicious depth to our dish. Next, saute the chopped onion until they're translucent. They will give caramelized, delicious and aromatic action to our dish. Carefully add the seared chicken to the pan, ensuring even distribution. The searing process enhances flavor and contributes to a rich taste in our chicken adobo. Gently stir the seared chicken, ensuring an even coating. With the flavorful mixture of sautéed minced garlic and chopped onion, this step harmonizes the savory juices, creating a well-balanced and delicious dish. Time intensify the umami. Let's pour our reserve marinade to the pan to intensify the taste and addition to make delightful, delicious chicken adobo. Now, add 1/2 cup of water to balance the acidity and richness. When it boils, add our chicken cubes, oyster sauce, peppercorns, and bay leaves. Let's stir our chicken adobo with passion, blending tradition and flavor. Together we create more than a dish, we celebrate our culture and share joy of cooking. Reduce the heat to low. Cover the pan and let simmer about 20 to 30 minutes. This slow cooking process will make the chicken tender, absorbing all those delightful flavors. Don't forget to stir occasionally to avoid sticking. Let's season with salt, pepper powder, and brown sugar. Stir well to enhance the full flavor of our chicken adobo. And now you have it. A mouth-watering chicken adobo ready to be served. Garnish with dried flakes garlic and green onions. And it's time to enjoy this Filipino culinary masterpiece. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on cooking chicken adobo. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more delicious recipes and leave your thoughts in the comment below. Until next time, happy cooking!